Hello, Algebra 2. How are you doing? Hopefully well. We are going to do a little bit of math to refresh your brain, hopefully so I don't have to do too much review when we get back. We left off on talking about solving exponential equations, specifically using the logarithm form of exponentials and also the change of base formula. So let's go over a quick example. So I got solve the exponential equation 3 times 5 to the power of x equals 81. And if we want to isolate x first, we're going to just treat it like a regular equation. We know how to do this, so I'm going to divide by 3 on both sides to get rid of that 3. So that's going to cancel out here. I'm going to be left with 5 to the power of x equals 81 divided by 3 is 27. Again, this is a very simple one. So now I got to figure out what x is. And I know 5 squared, 5 to the second power, is 25. So my guess is x should be a little bit over 2, maybe like 2.1, I'm going to guess. Something a little bit more than 2, right? Because 27 is bigger than 2. All right. We're going to write this now as a logarithm equation. We can go back and forth between these exponentials and logarithms. So I have a log, my base is 5, so log base 5 of 27 equals my exponent x, okay? What power do I need to raise 5 to in order to get 27? That's what we're really talking about when we have logarithms. So to evaluate this number here, because that's just a number, right? I can use the change of base formula, and we usually choose a different base. We're going to choose base 10 because it's a lot easier to work with on our calculator. So I'm going to take log base 10 of 27 divided by log base 10 of 5 divided by log base 10 of my base has to be equal to x. Again, that's just rewriting this using our change of base formula. And then we can use our calculators to evaluate that out. So on my calculator, because calculators work very well with logs in base 10, you're going to hit log, and then in parentheses, 27, close parentheses, divided by log, and then in parentheses, 5, close parentheses. You're going to get that x is roughly 2.0478188583. And that kind of checks out with what we guessed at the beginning, right? We knew that x should be just a little bit greater than 2. And there we go. Okay, we can check this if we want and say, hey, let me just plug this back into my original equation, which I'll scroll up real quick, was this one right here. So if I plug my x equals 2.0478 into this one, I should get 81. So I'm going to say 3 times 5 to the power of 2.04781885, yada, 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 equals 81. And if I check that out on my calculator, that gives me about 27 equals 81. And yes, indeed, 3 times 27 is 81. Check. There's our answer. And since the question asks us to round to the nearest hundredth, I'm going to take that guy and say it's about 2.05. All right, and there's our answer. Thank you, thank you. Hopefully you had a great day. See you soon. Bye.